Hi, welcome back to another video. This video is about EFM True Touch Glass with Screen Armour for Galaxy S7. This product has easy to use with alignment tabs, with anti-grease and anti-fingerprint coating, with bubble-free installations. Let's unbox it. Okay, I guess you start from the top and then open it. Let's see what they have inside this thing. On the right, I guess there's just the instruction manual. In the middle is the glass itself, and on the left I can see cleaning wires with a microfiber cloth and dust removal sticker and a small card. As you can see, I placed the glass protector on top the actual device. You can see somewhere about 0.5 millimeter on left and right is not covered, so I'm guessing the design is meant for the use of this glass with the case. So if you need to have a glass that up to the edge of the screen, this is not for you. Let's apply the screen protector on the screen. I think normally if it's you just have the device just out of the box. I don't think you need to use these cleaning wipes, but if you did use it quite a while, you need to apply the cleaning wipes. But for me, probably I just have to apply the dust removal stickers. So what I do, just open these stickers, and then we're just gonna apply to the screen where I can see some small dust marks. Okay, that should be ready to go. Okay, and then start from removing this top parts here, right? And then exposing the glass, and then now you need to align it to the device. It's a bit hard to do it this way, actually. Hopefully I don't do it wrong. Yeah, I'm guessing this is the way. And probably just drop it. And I think normally you actually do the middle part here first, right? And then try to squeeze out the bubbles. I'm guessing you just have to redo it again. It's just the card, right? And then you just have to redo that part. Yeah, and then push it out. Okay, here's a here's the screen. There's still like few small marks here. I don't know if you can actually help pushing out this thing. Oh yeah, it's a bit works. Okay, there you go. It's almost perfect. Okay, there you go. The edges here is a bit I don't know, feels like a bit to expose the actual glass. And there you go, this installations. Let's see how it looks like if you actually put a case. I got a Tech 21 case here, and so I'll just put phone. Okay, this is the close-up view of if the item is the screen with the screen protectors, and on the bottom, I guess it may be not suitable for some people because it's probably need a case that a bit more wrapped up of the thing. I'll let you guys know how I go with this glass protector, whether it's limit on the way I use it. After a while, after about a few days using the screen, I'm afraid that I don't find this screen is suitable for me. The gap on the left and right of the screen is very noticeable, and you can sometimes miss tapping if there's something on the left, on the right, on your keyboard, and also especially especially anything that on the right hand side. There you go, guys, a quick unboxing and then screen installations of the EFM glass protector for Galaxy S7. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and hopefully you find this video useful, and please like this video and subscribe. See you next time.